Okay, we're going to show you how to freshen up your sheets besides washing them. On a daily basis, you can use a linen spray, which we're going to make today. It is fresh linen. Okay, so we'll grab our 4-ounce bottle and we will start with the vodka first. So the vodka helps to have the spray dry a little faster so that your sheets don't get a fresh linen spray and then mildewy. Okay? Okay, tablespoon of vodka. So I do a little funnel in my jar and that in first. And the oils that we're going to use are lemon. We're going to do 3 drops of each of these oils, okay? Lavender. Peppermint. And those 3, those are like the anti-allergies blend. If you use those 3 together in your own spray, you can make an allergy spray. So if you feel like you're getting a runny nose and itchy eyes, I have a spray bottle of just those, but I've increased the drops. And I close my eyes and I spray that and then rub it in and let it dry my face. And it takes the redness and itchiness away from my eyes. And it makes my nose stop running. So I don't take any allergy medication. And then the other 2 that we're going to add are eucalyptus. 3 drops of that. And the last one is peppermint. Melaleuca. We already did peppermint. Perfect. I was thinking about telling you about peppermint. When you do spray this, you want to make sure that it doesn't get in your eyes. When I use my allergy spray, the lemon, lavender, and peppermint combo, I keep my eyes closed until it's dry. Because if peppermint gets in your eyes, it is an irritant. We'll just put it that way. It doesn't feel very good. If that does happen, here's a tip. You want to use the coconut oil to spray in your hands and then dilute it over your eyes to continue to dilute that on your eyes and have that feeling, irritating feeling subside. You don't want to use water. Water drives the oils deeper and makes the oils act more profusely in whatever reaction you're having. So, okay, so we did our tablespoon of vodka. Then we did 3 drops of the oils, lemon, lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, and melaleuca. And then we will top it off with water. Okay, it's pretty simple. And then you can always modify these if you prefer more lavender smelling scents. You can add a couple more drops of lavender, decrease peppermint. It's very strong. Yeah, so you can just toy with it. So you're never going to do anything wrong. Just get to experiment. And that's the fun with all of these oils, because you're experimenting. And then when you go to spray it, you want to make sure that you shake it up. Okay? And that will dissolve or mix up all of the oils in the vodka so that when you spray it, there you go. It sprays well and dries well on your linens. Okay, happy spraying!